Hey guys, how are you this morning? So, this is what I woke up to. I have no idea how much snow is actually falling because it's got a lot of blowing snow, so I think there's a lot of drifts too. Well, I know there's a lot of drifts, but I think most of the deep shit is from the drifts. So I just got here. I actually had to do a little pathway for the transport. He just dropped off 4 cars and there was no way for him to get in, so he kind of just dropped them in the front of the gate in the 15-20 centimeters of snow here, and I could barely even get in because he had blocked the whole way, and it's pretty damn deep here on the road. So guys, I have the camera mounted on the rearview mirror with a really good tripod, flexible leg, so I hope the view's okay. I hope it doesn't shake around. It's not exactly in the tightest position, but I don't see it shaking, so that's good. It might shake back here a bit because, as you can see, it's all sand. Because half of the snow, well, most of the snow has been actually melting, so there isn't too much back here besides some old frozen little piles, which I'm gonna have to start all over again right now. But it's a lot of sand back here, and I don't know how frozen it even is. But this is where the snow gets pushed, so I don't have a choice but to come back here. I don't know how well you can hear me. I don't know how well this is gonna look, but I'm in the best resolution, the best frame size I could possibly have on the phone right now. I don't know how much I'm gonna be talking during this. I've only been up for maybe 25 minutes. I only had a sip of my coffee, and I think it's almost freaking cold already. 2 minutes already in it. One pass. Come on, guys, let's go. So it was a lot of blowing snow overnight. So it's been blowing since about 12 o'clock yesterday afternoon. And there's some serious drifts in spots. Problem once I get to this little slope here, it's all sand. Luckily it's somewhat frozen. Because it's all melting, there's a hell of an incline right here. Stop right here. I'm not going all the way back into the other crap right away. So guys, this probably will be the last snowfall or the last snowplow vlog of the year. I honestly didn't plan on doing one, but this winter snow warning has been on for 4 or 5 days, and I was like, yeah, right, kind of thing, and there's no way we're gonna get that. It's like, you know, not even in the minuses hardly anymore. But it started yesterday. Sorry guys, windshield, I know. I want to make a half decent video, but I got so much crap around me, and I'm trying to watch the camera and make sure it's still in good position. Doesn't look too bad. I think it might have fallen, maybe a sea hair. Need to wake up because I'm going to be here for a few hours. Just have to kind of hit these piles down as I go. A little later than I wanted it to be because of that transport situation. It kind of set me back 20 minutes or so. I already had my blade put away in my garage and everything. My house garage, attached garage, has nothing in it but my wife's one car, so I usually store the blade in there too. Oh, that shit is so rough back here. It's a good thing it's frozen. Alright guys, I'm trying to keep the snow off the windshield as much as I can. Snow's kind of blowing everywhere too, so. I better not put it here. Getting warm in here. I actually got a coat on where I normally do not. Holy, that's a lot of traffic. Yeah, the phone has definitely moved down a little bit. This much snow takes so long to push back. Like, technically, I probably should have been here right at 5 o'clock this morning, but I didn't really know what to expect. I thought it'd kind of be like my driveway, because my driveway is like, you know, really, really long, and it's just like an alleyway. But even this morning when I woke up, I did a video last night. I haven't actually uploaded it yet, but I did a video last night. The snow was the exact same way. And at the end of my driveway, it was like just, the drifts were just getting higher and higher every hour. So I thought, well, because the lot is the exact same kind of layout, like it just comes in and goes straight down the way I'm going right now, I thought maybe there would actually be no snow on the ground in the lot. It would just kind of have all blown back to the back of the yard, but that wasn't the case at all, as you can see. I'll try to keep as much of the snow off the windshield as possible, guys, but you can't always be right on it. I got a lot of blade jumping here just because the ground is all the snow and ice has melted over the last few weeks, so it's just frozen dirt. And I actually have the blade set a little higher, so it wasn't going too far down, just digging all the time. There's so much snow here, I honestly don't know where to start. I don't know if to make it look pretty right away or just get the basics down so I can get it, you know, a lot clearer, a lot quicker, because as I said, I was a little late. So people are actually going to start probably rolling in. What time is it? 6:50. Probably within the next half an hour, the employees will start rolling in. Oh, that's a rough ride when everything's frozen like that. This is a pretty smart place to park my trailer. Like I said, guys, I hope this video turns out okay. This is actually my first like motion video with this phone, and this phone is supposed to have one of the best cameras, so yeah, I got this eye stabilizer tripod for smartphones. It's supposed to, well, it's $50 at Walmart. It was the best one they had. But it's got the flexible legs and everything that wraps around whatever. So I had to have the legs wrapped up around the goofy mirror. And at first I didn't think it was going to work because it seemed kind of jittery. But once it's in place, it doesn't look too bad. I don't see it bouncing around as much as I thought it was going to. I should probably get these service areas done before 7. Surprisingly, there's like no snow on any of the cars. The drifts of the wind is just kind of blowing the snow right off whatever was falling on them, I guess. Oh, what the hell is... Yeah, that was a really dumb spot to park my trailer. Trying to keep the defrost going really at a decent height, or sorry, a decent level, because I don't want the windshield to get all frosted up here. There's so much snow, sometimes it just feels like I'm just going back and forth doing the same thing. It's just not going anywhere. Trying to be really gentle here too, because I have a feeling I'm going to be in this truck the majority of the day. So I don't want to rip anything apart today. Of course, with my luck, the last big snowfall, that would probably happen. Knocking on a little wood trim, but it doesn't. Oh, my poor coffee's going to be like at the piss warm level right now, and I hate that. coffee is very, very warm. Blades scraping like crazy. You can tell it was just straight pavement before the snow fell on it. I got my winter boots on. I'm not used to driving this truck with winter boots on. I usually am in just running shoes when I am plowing. I just like to be comfortable, and snow boots drive me nuts. I better start picking some of this service stuff off and play around with the little details later here. Horrible. Alright, I start picking this stuff off here. Yeah, so you can see how how big some of these drifts actually are between the cars. Even this stuff here is extremely high. Of course, the back plate did not fall. Oh, I'm gonna take my coat off here. Keep the frost works well on this truck. As it should. It's getting extremely warm. One thing about plowing, you know, your truck always stays nice and hot. See if I can adjust this phone a little bit and move it up. I don't want to touch it too much. Try that. Wish it wasn't so windy. It doesn't make for good video when the windshield keeps getting full of snow. Doesn't look straight. Now the phone is bouncing around. Sorry guys, I'm literally just trying to get this thing back to straight. I was gonna mount the tripod on the shit handle, but it would have probably actually turned out better. Less shaky, but you would have only seen the side view. Wouldn't be straight on. I wouldn't have liked it. Plus it kind of would have been in the way of my control, my remote. Yeah, this sucks. goody. Damn curbs again. Yeah. Stuff is a pain in the ass to plow sometimes when it's this thick. It's been blowing, so every drift is just basically huge. I don't know which way I even want to tackle this because I don't want to get hung up in here. Snow is really stiff. Yeah, this will take me forever. I'm not doing it this way. Oh my god, I gotta turn the heat down. Holy crap. I gotta get out and take my coat off. Oh. The wind actually has died down a little bit out here. God. Here we go. How's the drive? How's the drive?
Not bad.
Really?
Here.
Not yet.
If it's straight,
I know. I'm trying. Screw this. Taking too long to push the snow all the way back at the moment. This is why I hate plowing this dealership on a weekday. Slick shit. Where's the curve at? Sorry guys, I'm not talking much. I realize that. I try to concentrate on like 3 different things. Plus I know my coffee, I'm dying to have it, and it's pretty much at the point where it's almost past piss warm even. And I don't want to microwave it yet. I might have to. Not even paying attention to the screen to make sure that it's still sitting in a good position, which it looks like it's not horrible. I don't think it's moving too much. It's kind of just balling very, very fucking to a very short extent. And it's usually only when the truck's bouncing around too. Yeah, they get parts dropped off. Honda parts in the. Usually it happens between 4 a.m. and any kid comes. I've seen them come as late as like afternoon even. But they haven't been in yet this morning. So he wants this cleaned up. I'm against the old red Kerr again, and it's got about 3 feet of snow wrapped around it. No idea where it is. Yep, there it is. Oh, there it is again, motherfucker. Oh, look at that, I actually climbed on top of it that time. There's something all over the top of my steering wheel that's really sticky. I don't know what the frack it is. Sorry guys. Freaking windshield wipers, they must just ruin a video. I don't know if I mentioned this in any of the last videos I did. Well, I don't even know. It might not have. It might have been after the last video. Actually, I fried the pump to the point where the ground wire was actually shorting out and smoking away. So I just spent $600 on a pump there about, well, I guess it was a little over a month ago now. Whatever last big snowfall I'd actually recorded. I think it was just after I stopped the video. Pretty ironic. I do see the phone shaking very slightly when the truck is bouncing around, but there's anti-shake on this phone too. See how that works out. Shaking a little bit. Tire hop going on. In case you guys are wondering, or were wondering, that white Dodge Ram I was thinking about buying, I never bought that. Never mentioned that after that video either. It just needed too many things. A lot of front end parts. It was a construction truck, so this is the only vehicle I currently own now. I sold my Subaru, so I don't have a daily driver, but my shop is right across from my house. The only actual thing I need a vehicle for is driving around down here most of the time. This might be the longest plowing video in history.